Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Today we are looking at a centerpiece for the modern kitchen. If you have ever felt frustrated by pans that lose their non-stick coating after just a few months, or if you are tired of scrubbing stubborn residue, this review is for you. We are talking about the Circulon Premier Professional 12-piece hard-anodized non-stick cookware set. This is not just another basic set of pans, it is a piece of heavy-duty equipment designed to bridge the gap between home cooking and professional performance. Let us start with the build quality. The most striking thing about these pots and pans is the hard anodized aluminum construction. Circulon claims this material is twice as hard as stainless steel, and when you hold these in your hand, you can really feel that density and durability. It feels substantial, not flimsy, which is exactly what you want when you are searing meats or simmering sauces. The standout feature here is the proprietary high-low circle design. If you look closely at the cooking surface, you will see a pattern of raised circles. This is not just for show. These circles protect the non-stick surface from being scraped by your utensils, which is a common failure point in cheaper pans. By reducing surface abrasion, the non-stick performance is designed to last 10 times longer than standard cookware. In my testing, this design holds up exceptionally well, especially when moving a spatula across the surface. Versatility is another major strength. Because this set features a heavy-duty stainless steel base, it is fully induction compatible. Whether you are using a glass-top electric range, a gas flame, or a modern induction stovetop, these pans will perform consistently. They are also oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to sear a steak on the stovetop and finish it perfectly in the oven. Now, let us talk about the usability and cleanup. The handles are double riveted, which provides a level of security you just do not get with single riveted or welded handles. They are topped with silicone grips that stay comfortable even when you are cooking for a large group. Plus, the tempered glass lids fit snugly to lock in heat and moisture. Cleanup is remarkably simple because the non-stick coating is applied to both the inside and the outside of the pans. This means that even if a sauce spills over, you can wipe it away without leaving unsightly stains on the exterior of your cookware. They are even dishwasher safe, although I always recommend hand washing to maximize the lifespan of any non-stick coating. To summarize the experience, the pros are clear. You get extreme durability from the hard anodized aluminum. The high-low circle system genuinely keeps the non-stick surface in better condition for longer, and the compatibility across all heat sources makes this a great investment for any kitchen. On the flip side, the weight of the pans is significantly higher than entry-level aluminum sets, so if you prefer extremely lightweight gear, you might find these a bit heavy. Also, because they are professional grade, you will need to invest in the space to store 12 pieces properly. If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen game, or if you are moving into a new home and want a set that will actually last, the Circulon Premier Professional set is a serious contender. It balances the ease of non-stick cooking with the durability of heavy-duty hardware. It is rare to find a set that feels this premium while still being so practical for everyday use. If you want to check the current pricing and availability, look below. Link in the description.